In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can see your password if forgotten. So if you've forgotten your password and unable to log in into your account, then to see your password or to recover your account, you have to follow the steps. This is only going to work if you have already saved your password to your Google Manager. Done it so, then you'll not be able to find or recover your Telegram password. So basically what you'll have to do is you have to go ahead and open up your settings application, and when you open up the settings application, it's going to take you to this page. Scroll down a bit and go to accounts. As you do that, locate the particular Google account or the ID in which you must have saved your Telegram password. So let me see, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm gonna go to Google account. As you do that, it's gonna take you to the official page, and here you need to go to security. As you do that, scroll down a bit, and here you should be able to find this option as manage password. As you do that, it's going to take you to this page. Here, tap on the search bar and type in Telegram. In my case, I don't happen to have saved my password, so I'm also unable to see it. But what happened is that when you've actually saved your password, all you have to do is just press on it, and it's going to ask you to confirm your PIN. After that, it's going to take you to this page, and here press the I button and you'll be able to see your password. As mentioned earlier, if you have not saved your password to your Google Manager, you'll not be able to find it or locate it right on this page. Then for that case, what you have to do is you have to recover or reset a new password. Only then you'll be able to log in. So that's basically how you can see your Telegram password if you've forgotten. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.